Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Galloping Geargrinder. Galloping Geargrinder is a minor character in Cars 2. He's a slow-moving train who works on the Ornament Valley Railroad. According to Meet the Cars, he is a 1935 Rio Grande GG, closely resembling a classic early 1900 automobile, and even referred to as the Old Model T by John Lasseter. He's painted black and has a front cowl catcher covering his chassis. He has 6 more wheels, a lantern on his side, a pair of air horns, and a small gate protecting cargo from his back. Here's his Meet the Cars description. Galloping Geargrinder has been riding the rails of carburetor county since the 1930s. The Geargrinder was light on tracks and extra efficient at running them out until it sounded like radiator springs. But by the 1950s, the delivery work dried up as the semi-trucks began using a new straight-line highway that bypassed the old curvy train route. Other Geargrinders ended up at amusement parks and tourist traps. Good old GG prefers to continue chugging along his original line and to keep mates from trespassing in the tunnels. So why don't we have a good look at him, yeah? Here we go. As he's quite small, quite light. Quite light. They go like that, quite light. And yeah, as I said, he got a little cow catcher. A bit like Toby from Thomas and the Tank. Not sure if you can hear the noise it makes when I do it. Yeah, you don't. He's got 2 little lights, a bit like an old train. Got 2 air horns. A little lamp. What's his lamp? Hold on. I think I'm missing his lamp. Still, as I say, he's got fences protecting his cargo from falling off. What's he got back here? He's got a first aid kit. And a barrel. Actually, it might be some oil. When's it? Will it be oil? Not sure, but here we go. Here's his base if you're interested. That's pretty much all there is to say. See you next time, my precious.